Hello, developers and creatives. High-quality fashion photography is crucial throughout the fashion design process. Yet, sourcing compelling stock photos and videos for online businesses and social media remains a significant challenge. Let me show you how to easily generate and edit product photos with visual consistency and then create stunning videos with Imagen 3 and VO2 on Google Cloud. First, go to console.cloud.google.com. On the Vertex AI Studio, find the new Media Studio, previously called Vision. Now Media Studio gives the option to generate images, audio, music, and videos. First, let's create a photorealistic close-up portrait with Imagen 3. Type a prompt and click on Generate. I really like the third image, which I can either download or export with an option to upscale it. Then I use Inpainting Insert to add a pearl necklace. Select Inpaint Insert mode, draw a rough shape of the necklace with the brush mask, enter a prompt, a beautiful pearl necklace. Click on Generate, then 4 images get generated, with the necklace added. You can expand each generated image to look at the details. I would like to change from a close-up 1:1 image to a 9:16 full-body image so that it shows not only her face but also her dress. One obvious choice is to use Outpainting to change the aspect ratio from 1:1 to 9:16. In the end, I decided to use Imagen 3's person reference to get the full body image that is more zoomed out. First, I make sure to set the aspect ratio to be 9:16. Click on Add Reference. Set the reference type as Subject Person. Then I upload the reference image. Give it a description, Fashion Model, which can be referenced later on in the prompt. Now let's type a prompt that references the fashion model and generate 4 images of 9:16 aspect ratio. I click on the Help Me Write icon to enhance my prompt with AI. Click on the Enhance button for Gemini to expand my simple prompt to be a more detailed one. I take a close look at the enhanced prompt, remove or edit parts of the prompt as needed. Once I'm happy with the edits, I click on Generate. I like these images better, which are generated with AI-enhanced prompts, and I will choose the first one to continue to work with. Now the image is looking great, but I want her right hand to look more relaxed. Use the box mask to mark the right hand. Type a simple prompt. Change her right hand to be relaxed. Click on Generate. We now have new images generated with the right hand looking much more relaxed. The hand pose change with Inpaint Insert is seamless, with the rest of the image intact. Fashion shoots in different locations can be very costly. With GenAI, we can easily change the image background instead of the costly process of changing location. Upload a starting image, then select Product Background. Type a simple prompt to generate 4 images with a beautiful botanical garden backdrop. With the Imagen 3, we can easily change the dress colors. I use the person reference feature again. Add a reference image and give it a description for reference later in the prompt. Let's first start with a simple prompt. Change the dress color of the fashion model to blue. Notice that the color of the dress did change to blue, but the images have some sort of glare to the dress. I find that Gemini enhanced prompts with the Help Me Write feature results in much better images. The dress color of the new images look much better. Once I get a prompt that generates great results, I simply change the dress color in the prompt to generate new images. Now I have images of the same fashion model wearing the same dress in different colors. Google's VO2 video generation model enables me to create stunning high-definition videos easily. It has both text-to-video and image-to-video features. I use one of the images created with Imagen 3 from the previous steps as a reference, and write a simple prompt to create a short video that is 8 seconds long. You can preview each of the generated videos in Media Studio. So far, I've shown you how to use Google Cloud Vertex AI Media Studio to make changes with one image or video at a time. You can also make these changes at scale with code. In fact, being able to work with images and videos programmatically at scale is the power of using these Gen AI models on Google Cloud. Here's an example of how I changed the image background with Imagen 3 in Colab. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today on how to use Imagen 3 and VO2 for fashion stock images and videos. While my examples in this tutorial are about fashion, you can use these techniques for any branded designs or content creation. Subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more tutorials on Google Cloud, AI, art and design.